Okay, so what I do to get my roster sheets to look like this is I start out with a new, let's go do sheets.google, takes you over here. I choose a new blank spreadsheet. Okay, and then let's just call it class list for this example. Okay, and then I go over to Schoolmaster, and what I do is I want it to be in this hard copy report. So the way that I get there is if you go back to home, and then under reports, click on reports, and then click hard copy, and then in this case, right now I'm going to use, well, in this case I'm going to use my 8th period class, whatever class that is, and then make sure everyone's selected, hit submit, and it brings up this screen view. Highlight everyone's names, okay, copy, go back over to your brand new sheet that you created. In the very first box here, you just make sure it's highlighted and then do paste. Boom, there you go. Now you can start, you can change the fills, you can play around with the font, you can do whatever you want to make them pretty. So like if you just want to select them all and then change the fill color to start, let's do Bellarmine blue for now. And then you will have to do it individually, select every other, on your own you'll have to select every other row to do alternating colors if that's something you want. All right, have a great day.